Hi, for today's unboxing, I have a box from Portland Leather Goods. This is another mystery box that I ordered from them. For this one, for this one is only the tote. Uh, no small item with this one. When I order, they only have the tote, the only tote option available. So, and not sure if you are aware that they actually opened up their new distribution in Texas. So since I live in Austin, Texas, their shipment is pretty is as it's very fast. I mean they have always been fast, but now it's even faster. It's even better. So I'm expecting to buy more from them. So I know mystery box supposed to be a surprise, and usually people buy mystery box because sometimes they put in unicorn color, rare color, or their new color that you cannot find on their regular listing. But I also want to point out that it's not always the case because they probably have a lot of overstock that they need to get rid of as well, I suspect. But anyway, so was I hoping for something unique? Probably, but since I have already seen some other customers unboxing on the Facebook group, so I knew that this batch of mystery box, many of them are the cognac color, which is more kind of a brown tone, a little bit on the common side. But since this is just my second mystery box, so I would be okay with another common color since I haven't had many of their totes yet. And not much of a mystery here if you look at the box. It did say dark cognac, medium size with zipper. So, well, at least it has a zipper closer. So not a bad option either. So let's open it up. And as usual, they have this leaflet. And put it aside. Empty box. And this is how they pack their tote. Yes, it is. I guess it is their cognac color, as you can see here. Almost like the cold brew color option that I have, but it has a slight red tone to it, slightly red tint to it. They stuff it really well with papers, and it does have a slip pocket inside. I do like that when I get a tote set with zipper, because you can use it, go anywhere with it, and your things are secure. You don't have to worry that people reach in and grab your stuff. So far, nothing to complain here. So I know this is not a unique color, but I thought I would make a video to show you that you don't always get cool and mysterious colors with their mystery box. Sometimes it could be just from their regular lineup that you can get from their website, but it is still cheaper than if you just buy it on their website. So it is still a good deal. So I love buying mystery box, and I'm addicted to it. I probably would still buy more, even though this is not so much of a surprise this time. Next time, I guess I will have to stay off Facebook and not reading up what other people are getting. So this is the new medium tote with zipper from Portland Leather Goods. Thanks for watching, and I hope if you had ordered a mystery box from them, you are getting better color and happy with your purchase. Thanks for watching.